Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to show you how to get paid fonts for free for your design projects and also some other really cool font tools. So without further ado, let's just get started with this video. Before we begin, go down in the comments right now and tell me which is your favorite font of all times. Also, I'm now on Instagram, so if you want to see a lot of cool content and if you want to be with me on live streams and design together, well, you should follow me there. We all know how artificial intelligence has changed our lives, but the robots have really taken over this time. You have now a map drawn of different kind of fonts. So certain fonts which look similar are paired together. And as you can see, if I select a certain font, it will basically navigate to that and it will show you all the fonts which are similar to that particular font. You can even search for any font that you like, and also it shows all the fonts close to this, so you can quickly zoom in and see how these fonts look similar and which ones you can use together in your project. Now the next tool is very useful. I can see which font I like for that header. For in this case, I like League Script. I can change the font. Maybe I like something like 56 is too big, 42. And I like this font a lot. Click here and get the code for the entire font or type kit here. Once I'm happy with that, it will allow me to import in my code as CSS script, or I can just go to type kit and just click on this font here and it will straight up allow me to download that font. Or if I'm using Adobe XD, you can activate it from here and basically get the font straight in Adobe XD. I'm sure everyone here once in their lifetime have used Tinder. And this particular application is Tinder for fonts. It basically pairs fonts like this. In this case, it has two fonts. The one on the top is Playfair Display. The one on the bottom is Allegria. This is the first time I'm hearing it, but it's a cool font. So I'll swipe right if I like the font. I don't really like this font, I'll swipe left. If I've saved a particular font, it will appear here. As you can see, I just used this tool a day ago, so I can see all these different fonts that I've saved earlier. It basically saves in your browser. It also has a cute email list. So if you like receiving cool and in this case cute love letters from Font Flame, you can get it and they'll send you really cool font pairings once a week on your email. Now, all of you have been waiting for one thing in this video, and that is how to get paid fonts for free and try it out in your projects. So Fonts Ninja is a tool which allows you to import any paid font into your projects and use it for free. Now, as you can see, my favorite font, Cerebri Sans, has been put up here already. What you can do is quickly search for any paid font. You might not get all paid fonts for free, but most of the paid fonts you can get for free. Now I'm on a premium site called fontshop.com and there's this paid font called Saxophone. I'll show you how much it costs, and it's $25 for each of these thicknesses. And the whole package will cost me about $48. Not a bad deal. I like this deal, but I can get it for free now. If I click on Fonts Ninja and search for Saxophone, there you go. Look, that's the font right here. And once I get this, I can say font, activate font. And once I've activated font, I can go to this library and I can see this font right here. Of course, you'll be able to change the thickness in whichever tool you use. So to show you guys that it works with any design tool, I'll open XD and I'll type in my name once again, Punit. It's white, I'll change it to a black color, awesome. And I'll increase the size so that you can see this. Now if I go to the right to the fonts here and I say Saxophone, as you can see, Saxophone, the Pro font has been brought here. As you can see now, I can use this premium font for free. This you can try for 30 days in any of your projects. Use this tool with care. Don't use it to distribute any sort of font or for any commercial use. Except that if you're using it in your projects, it's more than good enough. The next tool is called Font Pairings by People. What it allows you to do is check different sort of fonts on different device sizes, on different websites, and with different sizes and thicknesses. So for example, I want to choose two fonts, Lato on my headings or Lado, whatever you want to call it, and I want to try Caution Script or the other way around. But I'll just try any two different fonts. This looks good. So I have these two fonts right here. I can set the font sizes for each, in this case, bigger or smaller. I can decrease or increase the size of the font from here, and I can decrease the size of the window here. So I can try it on mobile and see how it will look on mobile. And of course, I can always change the theme. So in this case, I want a restaurant website. So if you're working on a restaurant website, you can get inspiration from here as well. It also has a lot of different kind of combinations you can try, and it applies instantly on the right. And of course, if you like a font pairing, you can always download the fonts from here. It downloads it for free for you. Of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, like this video if you did. I post every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to be here every Monday and Thursday. I'll see you next time. God bless, guys.